Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and this week I am sailing on the Ovation of the Seas, which is a Royal Caribbean boat. And I'm sure you guys already know, but this cruise leaves from Sydney, Australia, and goes to 3 different ports in the South Pacific. So I've answered your cruise questions, I've showed you a little bit about my trip, but today I'm going to show you my room tour, and this is kind of my way of showing you what I packed by showing you how I'm unpacking in my cabin, because there's really good ways to organize your cabin when you're in a very, very, very tiny room and sharing it with somebody else. I believe these cabins are not even 200 square feet, so it's really kind of essential that everything has a place or your room's going to be an absolute disaster. So let's check it out. Hey, that's our room tour. Okay, so we are on deck 10, which means it's right in the middle of all the fun stuff because we have the promenade and the shops and dining downstairs, but then we've got the pool deck and all the activities upstairs. And I am in an inside cabin, which means I don't have a window, I don't have a balcony, anything like that. And it's kind of controversial in the cruise world, but I don't really need a window or a balcony. As much as it would be nice to wake up and go outside, I personally wake up and go right out to deck 14 and reserve my pool chair anyway. Inside cabins are a lot cheaper. So you do need your ship card as your key card, and this is everything that you need on the ship to buy anything. And then you do need it to do power in the room. Alternatively, you could use some other card that's about the same shape. The first thing that I want to say, and that you'll probably notice, is that walls on cruise ships are magnetic. You can use little hooks like this, like what I have right here. It's also linked on my Amazon store, and go and put them wherever you want to have a little bit more storage. So you're gonna see those around the room everywhere with stuff on them. So this is it, you guys. We have 2 twin beds right there. Alternatively, they can be pushed together if you are a couple, but we are not because I'm traveling with my friend, so we have 2 twin beds. Here we have a nice little closet with our stuff in it, hanging toiletries, excursion bags down there. And then other side of the closet, we have a safe. This is where we're keeping our backpacks, shoes, and clothes that are more comfortable. Drawer for hair stuff. This is the hair dryer that came on the boat. Obviously a comb, a couple extra toiletries, and I have a flat iron with me because that's how I curl my hair if I need to. Although this is how my hair air dried last night after shampooing it, and I'm not mad about it. We're also so well organized that we don't have anything really down here. And this is where I've been hanging our pool cover-ups after being at the pool all day. So we have a full-length mirror that I've been doing selfies in all week. A couple little hooks here. This is just my little shirt. I do have a necklace hanging there. And this is our desk area. So again, you have another mirror. It does light up, so it's a good place to do makeup or hair. Glasses, 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 glasses. And I have another one on the pool deck waiting for me. I also have these that I bring with me everywhere. This is just kind of some electronics. I have my computer because I have been working. I keep pens and highlighters that go for our cruise compass that has everything you're doing for the day. And then the plug situation. This one is European, 2 USBs. This one is American. And then this one is American as well. Now I did bring this also just because there are 3 USBs, a USB-C, and 3 more American plugs. We haven't really needed all the plugs, but we haven't been to a port yet where I need to charge like my GoPro and all of that stuff yet. So this is honestly a pretty good setup when it comes to plugs, so that's really cool. Then we're gonna get to this area. You have a TV, which honestly from your bed can't really see that well. But this is kind of my sunscreen station and our drink station. This is a drink cup that I got on the boat, which means I have a drink package. Just for soda though. And cruise compass, we've got remotes for the TV and stuff. Coffee, which we haven't touched because we've just gone downstairs for coffee. This is what I'm calling my electronics drawer. We do have a mini fridge. This is a drawer that we just have some snacks and some pills. This is my drawer with my packing cubes for swimsuits, undergarments, and jewelry. And then those are Kristen's drawers for whatever she's using. Now the thing with the bed situation, like I said, we have 2 twin beds instead of pushing them together, which is great. But then when you actually push them apart, there's only a charger on one side, and so that's on Kristen's side. So I've been having my phone across the room, which is fine because then my alarm goes off and I go across the room anyway. 2 little bedside tables. If this was a king bed, it would be on like alternate sides. I do have hooks here for my hats, which are great. This is the funniest part of the room. I could live without it. We have a virtual balcony. It's literally like a TV screen. So it's actually a live view of what it looks like outside, but it's kind of a lot of wasted space. The last time I was on a Royal Caribbean boat, which was not at all the caliber of this boat, it was a lot smaller. We actually had like a little 2-seater sofa and a coffee table. But we do have this nice little chair. My pool animal just fell apart that we have never sat in until now. Look out my virtual balcony. And now for the tiny bathroom. Light switch is always outside. All right, so we have a lot of stuff hanging to dry. This is the shower here. One little bar right here. I do suggest bringing some little suction cups if you want to, because a lot of stuff falls through there. It's a very nice shower head. It has different things. Very, very, very good water pressure. Cruise ship showers can tend to become really, 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 really hot. So if you're a little bit crispy from being in the sun, watch yourself. But then you have a couple of shelves just for toiletries and whatever. I do have cleanser, it's a 10, and my moisturizer, and then my toothpaste and my toothbrush. All of my other toiletries I keep outside just in case my roommate is in the bathroom and I need to do my hair or makeup, then it's going to be outside instead. Yeah. Basic bathroom. All right, so let's get into what I actually packed, because I know you guys usually love when I do my packing videos, which I love doing those for you too, but I figured I would kind of do 2 videos in one. So you're getting my cabin tour and then you're gonna get kind of what I packed. So I did pack these 2 hats, like I said. Actually, I packed this one and I bought this one in Sydney because I really wanted it. One little clutch that I bring to dinner with me each night. As for my bathing suits, I only brought 2. I have one bikini that I've been wearing on the liveaboard boat and on the cruise ship the whole time, but I do have another one cover up that's just a skirt, and then another cover up. I'm not gonna show my underwear on YouTube, but it's in that same drawer. And then I just kind of took this little cup holder, and then these are my earrings. I do really love tropical earrings on vacation. All right, now let's go to clothes. You guys know I'm a big capsule wardrobe person, and I'm gonna prove it when I show you everything that I wore for all 8 nights on the cruise right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know what I'm wearing all day? A bathing suit. All right, let's open up my wardrobe and show you the items that I packed, how I made all those outfits. First, we have one short little skirt, one pair of tropical pants. Then we have my colorful pair of pants that I call my MC Hammer pants because they're totally hammer time. And then this is a skirt that I actually got in Sydney. Alternatively, for bottoms, I also have a little white denim pair of shorts, and I have my pants that I wore on the plane. So that's it, 6 bottoms total. As for top, just a little cropped sweatshirt. I have this top right here that's just kind of one of my favorites. This is another little lightweight knit top that I have. And then this is one of my merino wool dresses from Wool And. This is just one of my favorite tops in general. And then this hanger has 3 different black tops. And then I have an extra pair of shoes that are just a little more dressy than my casual ones that I wear all the time. And then I did do a hanging toiletry bag on this trip because a lot of you guys have asked me to try one out. So I'm going to do a full video on my toiletries that I brought on a tropical trip in another video that I'm going to film very soon. And that's it. Besides what I'm wearing, I wear this kind of to bed every night with my nice little shorts that I wear to bed every night. And that's everything I packed. Basically, my essentials for cruise ships are the metal hooks for your cabin, packing cubes to separate your stuff, a whole bunch of extra plugs to plug stuff in, and then maybe get those suction cups for the shower like I was saying. Do pack a capsule wardrobe. It's very, very easy. Don't overpack on swimsuits. Make sure you have sunscreen. Organize your stuff. Take advantage. We are here for 8 nights. I don't think I've ever been in the same hotel room for 8 nights ever. So I actually unpacked the very, very second that we got on board. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the room tour. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you liked seeing everything that I packed. The only stuff I didn't show you is the stuff that's out on the pool deck right now, which is basically just my poolside bag with extra sunscreen and AirPods and the little clips to hold my towel onto the lounger. Okay, enough of this. It's time for me to go to the pool. Let's go.